Welcome to English-based skill. It's time to learn. Lesson number 6. Reading practice. I can do it. I know I can. Repeat. I can do it. I know I can. Now your turn. I can do it all by myself. Repeat. I can do it all by myself. Now your turn. I can do it with my own hands. Repeat. I can do it with my own hands. Now your turn. I can do it easily. Repeat. I can do it easily. Now your turn. I can do it because I am brave. Repeat. I can do it because I am brave. Now your turn. I can do it and keep improving. Repeat. I can do it and keep improving. Now your turn. I can do it. I am determined. Repeat. I can do it. I am determined. Now your turn. I can do it just like before. Repeat. I can do it just like before. Now your turn. I can do it because I am imaginative. Repeat. I can do it because I am imaginative. Now your turn. I can do it. No need to worry. Repeat. I can do it. No need to worry. to worry. I can do it if I try my best. Repeat. I can do it if I try my best. Now your turn. I can do it and not give up. I can do it and not give up. Now your turn. I can do it even if it's hard. Repeat. I can do it even if it's hard. Now your turn. I can do it step by step. Repeat. I can do it step by step. Now your turn. I can do it with patience and practice. Repeat. I can do it with patience and practice. Now your turn. I can do it and learn along the way. Repeat again. I can do it and learn along the way. Now your turn. I can do it if I believe in myself. Repeat. I can do it if I believe in myself. Now your turn. I can do it if I put my mind to it. Repeat. I can do it if I put my mind to it. Now your turn. I can do it because I have the courage. Can do it because I have the courage. Now your turn. I can do it and ask for help if I need. Repeat. I can do it and ask for help if I need. Now your turn. it and reach my goals. Repeat, I can do it and reach my goals. Now your turn. I can do it and enjoy the process. Repeat, I can do it and enjoy the process. Now your turn. I can do it with a positive mindset. Repeat, I can do it with a positive mindset. Now your turn. I can do it and grow stronger from it. Repeat, I can do it and grow stronger from it. Now your turn. I can do it because I have the patience. Repeat, I can do it because I have the patience. Now your turn. I can do it if I try my best. Repeat, I can do it if I try my best. Now your turn. Thanks for watching, kiddos. Hope you loved today's lesson. Stay with us and stay blessed. We will meet in the next lesson. Take care. Bye-bye.